What is the current scenario where a student wants to get enrolled in some sort of unique programs?
So I have questions, sir. I have one student previously, his previous education is in mechanical engineering. In these days, we have seen like most of them have questions regarding their hobby related program.
We have universities like RUFA, like Rome University of Fine Arts.
So that's great. Like if someone want to start the process, like application process, and they want to know about intake and tuition fees and all, so can you suggest me about that?
Yeah, definitely. If any student wants to proceed further with these unique programs, he can or she can initiate his or her application as soon as possible, because the coming intake would be September 24, and these universities have rolling intakes, so we have multiple chances, or any student who wants to proceed with these kind of courses have multiple chances to access the university for these programs.
Okay. And so what about the tuition fees?
Tuition fee will lies around 7,000 euros, 6,000 euros, or on an average basis we can say that 7 to 8,000 euros tuition fee will lies in. And student also eligible for scholarships, so student can also apply for a scholarship. So apart from this, I just want to raise one of the paining question, which is if any of the student got refusal from Italy in past intake, so how a student can proceed further with some other European country where the chances of getting visa will be high. So Siddharth, I think in previous intake you have some of the students who got refusal from Italy, and in this intake you apply in some other European country or university, and I think the students also awarded with the visa. So can you please explain your experience?
Yes, definitely. So like we have a student, they got refusal from Italy, and first of all the student have first choice is Italy because of their scholarship, their tuition fees and all. But if we are looking for other reason like Poland, so the Poland is the next option for the student, Poland, Malta, because the reason behind that, there's a tuition fees is vary between 2,000 to 5,000 euro, and it's very affordable, and the living cost is also nominal, like 500 euro for a month. So we suggest a student for Poland, and after the refusal they got visa as well in Poland. So I suggest a student ki like if they are looking for any other reason in Europe, so Poland and Malta, we have some institute, they provide offer letter within a week as well. Okay. So that is the great option ki like they have a multiple intake. Like if someone is looking for Italy Public University, they have a major intake is September, but in Malta and Poland they have a multiple intake. Like in Poland they have a March intake as well, they have a September and March both intake they have. Malta have multiple intake, some university have 3 or 4 intake. So that is the great option. Visa success ratio is high in Poland and Malta. So I suggest some student, like we have student Hidday Vadera is looking for Italy, but he later apply for Poland and now he is in Poland. So always if someone is looking for any other European country, so Poland, Malta and Lithuania is also a best option for these students.
Yeah, so friends, if you got a visa refusal previously from Italy, then there is no need to be worried about it. You can connect with us. Definitely we will have some of the great institutions directly in touch with us, and they will definitely help you with the fast process. You will get your offer letter within few days. You will get your invitation letter, which is required at the time of filing visa. So each and everything will be sorted, and definitely your chance of getting a Schengen visa will be high. So there is no need to be worried about it. If you have any of the rejection from any of the Schengen country in your last intake, specifically from study visa, then also we can proceed further for Europe only, like for Schengen countries only, obviously, in some other regions like Poland, Malta, as Siddharth told us. And definitely we have lots of examples where our student who previously got refusal, and for this intake they successfully got their visa. So friends, are you looking for coming intake either in any of the Schengen country like Italy, Germany, Malta, Poland, Latvia, Lithuania, Netherlands? Then definitely you can connect with us. You can visit in any of our branches. Our expert counselor will more than happy to assist you in your further future higher study plan. Thank you.